Good day folks, welcome back to Farming on 40 meters square. Today we have pecan nuts and we're going to do a bit of propagation. Pecan, 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 pecan. Let's go and plant some pecan nuts. Before we go there, why don't you hit the like button, maybe even subscribe, and if you'd like to support me, check out my PayPal address down in the description box. Let's get on with it. Okay, so for those that don't know, this is your basic pecan nut. Let's get on to planting them. So quickly here, as you can see, there's a crack forming on this one. Sure you can see that little crack running straight through down that side. Basically the root and the top part is going to come out here. Going to come out this side. As you can see, these nuts are a bit old. That color shows that even the oils have started to come out. But I have done 70 nuts already, and I'll be showing you exactly what's happening in those ones as well. Okay, cue the dramatic music. This is just me filling up the bags. I'm just going to do 4 of them so that you can basically see how it goes. Okay, so I basically take the nut. On these ones I can see where the crack is, so I put them in. They're basically shaped like a boat. Like a boat on a boat, so you can just estimate, if you can't see a crack, you can estimate where the line is going to be, and you can just push them in a couple of centimeters, and then you can cover them up. And then just pat them down, and that's it. Right, once we're done there, just going to move these aside. My lovely cat dad cup. Yes, lovely tea drinker I am. This is one I've already done. It's about 2 weeks in the bag. Okay, as you can see, the crack's fully opened. Just need to blow it off a bit, yeah. As you can see, the little white root is starting to come out. It's going to split both ways, so we'll just put that back in there. Should be fine. And then the next stage you'll see is a little sprout coming out, indicating that it's propagated and it's coming up. And then the next phase you'll see is basically the first leaf coming out, and the second on this one, and then we'll eventually get a nice beautiful seedling. And that's about it on this nice beautiful pecan nut. Still watching, thank you very much for watching this whole video. Really appreciate it, and check the description below for all the other links. I do have another personal YouTube video account. We'll be grateful if you'd also check out that account. Enjoy the rest of your day. Ciao.